What's up, y'all? It's Whitney here, and I am back with another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying to put together this Sunny Health and Fitness upright row and ride exerciser. You know, so they said it's easy and it should only take like 20 minutes. So I guess we shall see. Because if I can put it together, that means that anybody can put it together. And I'm going to, try it out, see how it works, see if I like it, give y'all my opinion about it. Yeah, so if you are interested in seeing me try to get this together and try it out, then keep on watching. I think I saw it on like a Facebook ad, and of course, I went to the site, and then they had it on sale like right after Christmas. So that's why I decided to get it, because if you saw my vision board video, then two of my goals were to exercise more and to lose 15 pounds. So, and I feel like if the machine is like right here, you can't even see my face. I feel like if the machine is like right here in my house, then I would be more inclined to use it. So that was my reasoning for getting it. Okay, so let's start out looking at the user manual, because usually I just try to figure stuff out. They got all the parts. Hold up now, this looks kind of... I hope they just breaking everything down, because look at this. Look at all that stuff on there. Can you see it? I hope they're not saying it's like pretty much put together, it looks like. So I'm guessing they just breaking down what everything is. So let's see, it's 5:41 now. So let's see how long it takes us to put this together. Let's see. Step 1, open the main frame as shown in the picture on the left. Note the pin has been inserted into the front connecting tube. Okay. There we go. Okay. I just had to set it up. So I had it right for the most part. You just slid. Ouch, my knee. Ouch, that kind of hurt my knee. And this is why I got this machine, because y'all, we about to see how this thing works. Now, let me put these in. We gotta take this off. This little thingy right here. I was thinking that the bands were gonna hook to that. Let's see, left, loose, right side. Come on. What is it? Left loosey, right tighty. Now I knew I knew something about that was right. So you supposed to raise this up. This little thing right here wrong. The key is what adjusts how far down it goes. Okay. Okay. So now, Jesus. So how are you supposed to do this damn band? There we go. Think we cook it with grease now, babe. There we go. We in the game now. Oh, she's gonna hurt my knee still. Oh. I think that's enough for today. Maybe I'll actually work out on it tomorrow because this was the exercise putting together. Nah, but for real. I'm probably gonna use it tonight. I saw some videos on YouTube of different workout routines. So, you know, I might try it out, see how it goes. And I will let you guys know how I like it. Okay, y'all, so I decided to do a 10-minute glute focus workout. So that is what I'm doing right here. And if you look here on YouTube and search Sunny Health and Fitness, there are tons of videos for this ride and roll machine. And they do like full body cardio, glutes, just different ones. You just pick which one you want to do. This one was very intense. Well, at least it was to me because I am out of shape. Like, y'all, my quads were on fire. And you just do like full squats. You do like high, medium, low. You do pulses. You do holds. It was just a lot going on. And your girl just, it was rough. I'm going to try it again another day. But today just wasn't it. So yeah, at least I attempted it, and I wanted to show you guys that I did try it out. It is working very good, and I think it's gonna come in handy. So I'm excited to keep using it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't laugh at me too much, because at least I'm trying, you know, be encouraging. There goes Riley. Hey, girl. I don't know where you're supposed to put these. This don't feel safe. Yeah, this don't feel safe. Like, I don't think I got this on there right.